A foggy start to your Friday along the western and the southern coast, also in parts of the Eastern Cape, the Free State and around the Eastern Escarpment. Then from early on Friday morning, we are expecting thunderstorms to move over northwest, later spreading over the Northern Cape, Gauteng, the Free State as well as Limpopo, and becoming scattered over the Highveld and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. We are expecting scattered thunderstorms as mentioned over the western regions of northwest as well as the bordering areas between northwest, the Free State and the Northern Cape. Only isolated thunderstorms possible in Gauteng, but becoming scattered over parts of Limpopo, the Highveld and the western and central parts of KwaZulu-Natal. The Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, damaging winds, heavy rain and excessive lightning over the western and central parts of KwaZulu-Natal. So please be careful in those regions. Into the evening, an onshore flow of air bringing isolated showers to the Garden Route and surrounding areas, and then drizzle possible in the morning due to the foggy conditions. A very poor PV harvest along the western coast due to the foggy conditions, and then into the afternoon an average to poor PV harvest where we are expecting stormy conditions on Friday afternoon. Northeasterly winds picking up and blowing fresh over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Later fresh onshore winds expected over the Western Cape, and that's ahead of the next call front approaching the southwestern Cape. Fresh westerly winds also expected over the western and central parts of the country, with the Weather Service warning against runaway fires over parts of the Northern Cape and the Bushveld. So please be careful. A fresh southerly wind expected over the coastal areas of Namibia. In the Western Cape, a foggy start to your Friday along the coastal areas, then also cooler conditions expected in the city of Cape Town and Longabon due to this onshore flow of air, but still warming up over the interior, temperatures in the upper 20s and extremely hot in parts of the Karoo and the Little Karoo, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s expected. Into the evening, an onshore flow of air bringing isolated showers to the Garden Route. A foggy start to your Friday over the interior of the Eastern Cape with isolated showers and thunderstorms still possible, becoming hot around the escarpment and in Aliwal North with 32 the afternoon in Aliwal North, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the eastern coast with foggy conditions at first over the coastal regions as well. In KwaZulu-Natal, scattered thunderstorms possible over the central and western regions. Another hot day over the interior, 32 the afternoon in Ilundi and Ladysmith, but the Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms, so please be careful. A windy and hot afternoon in Richards Bay, 33 the afternoon there. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms possible in Mpumalanga, temperatures in the upper 20s over the Highveld, but extremely hot in the lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s with 37 the afternoon in Messina, 37 in Lephalale as well, and then isolated thunderstorms into the afternoon over the Bushveld, around the escarpment and in the lowveld. Isolated thunderstorms possible in northwest, becoming scattered over the western regions, temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius and windy at times. In the Northern Cape, foggy conditions expected around the western coast, otherwise fresh westerly winds blowing over the province. With this extremely hot, dry and windy conditions, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, so please be careful. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, 37 in Uppington and Prieska. Windy conditions also expected over the central and southern regions of the Free State, quickly warming up, 32 in Bloemfontein, then isolated thunderstorms over the northern and eastern regions. Another warm to hot afternoon in Gauteng, 29 in Johannesburg, 30 in Pretoria, and then isolated thunderstorms possible into the afternoon. This weekend, we're expecting extremely hot conditions over the western and central interior, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s expected, with isolated showers and thunderstorms still possible over the eastern parts of the country and in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Then on a Sunday, extremely hot conditions expected over the western interior, temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius in parts of the Northern Cape, also hot in Cape Town with 29, and then isolated thunderstorms still possible in Gauteng and the surrounding provinces, and temperatures above 30 in this region. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.